Hello everybody, it's me, Moss the Mosswing. Today I'm using Deep Aqua, my new OC. So as you can see, she only has purple colors and blue. So when I turn this off, like, there we go. So as you can see, she only has dark purple, the purple that is original color, and some blue colors to cyan color. I don't know how you call it, cyan or cyan, I don't even care. But yes. Oh, I think we're gonna. Okay, so there's an RP, I guess, going on here. So I went to Kestrel 16, and I kept seeing. I mean, there's 33 people, but I don't see any RP going on, except that one. So we're gonna go check out if there's anyone that is gonna make an RP, cause I don't like here. Well, if this doesn't have any RP making here, that's like prophecy, since Deep Aqua is supposed to be a prophecy dragon, we're gonna go leave the server and join another one. Oh, hi. Ooh, she has cool colors. Oh, that's cool. Oh, seriously, it's cool. Look at the fading. Let's go back now. So, this is gonna be the part 2 of Wings of Fire Roleplay Places. So let's go and do. So I think I showed you guys some now stuff, so let's go with the next ones. Let me just try to find it. Okay, wait. Okay, let's go. I think I showed you the DOD cave, I think, or not, but yes, I'll show it to you. Hi, Dust. Okay, so this is the DOD cave. Right now, no one is going to do any role plays right now, so yes, this is the DOD, if you're gonna ask me. Then we have here the beach. So this is where escape. So how long the escape, or how do they escape? So there's no boulders like you just click it and then it will move like those. No, it's really open. So they have to pretend it's closed. Now, how the dragonets escape? Sometimes they do wait, really quick. So sometimes they do the front, meaning they had to push it. And if you want the original one, they go into the tunnel. I'll show you how to go in it. So you're gonna have to find some holes. So you gotta pick the right hole, cause sometimes people forgot what hole. So I think I know what hole it is. So to know where the hole is, you gotta have to. If you're new here in this game, you'll have to find this part right here. Then go down a little. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Yes, that was Nezuko. Sorry. Okay, so next one here. So you'll have to find the hole. And you can see there's a hole here, but no, don't take that whole one, I think. So you can see there's a wood here. You have to go right up here. This one. So you gotta go squish up here. Now, if you're gonna do the DOD, you are going the wrong way. Yes, I'm going the wrong way, but I will show you. We're the ones that wants to like go back inside, so the guardians won't see you, like you're escaping. So here it is. We're back at the DOD cave. So let's go now check out. So this is DOD. Oh, sorry again. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is DOD 1. DOD cave 1. But if there's gonna be 2 DOD games, or 2 DOD RPs that are in the game, or server, the other DOD RP will be going in here. Now, many people use this for ship RPs, DOD RPs, and others. So yeah. Others, they do it like a rain wing RP here. And here we are, going here. This one is very a lot. Sometimes they use it for school RPs. This is the sea wings, which people did last time with me. So we did a sea wing royal RP here, and I was the princess, I think the oldest. I was in here. I think I forgot the color, but I think it was no, not purple, because I didn't like the color of purple last time. Sorry, grammars. Okay, so here it is. Now, there is here, but I don't think nothing's gonna happen in here, so let's go swim. So I'm just gonna swim really quick. Okay, so this is the river. I think this is the Diamond Spray River. If I'm correct, yes it is. If I'm not, I don't even know what kind of river this is. Yes, if you knew Drageyer's YouTube channel, I am not there, but I've tried the glitch of the update, and it was too funny. Okay, so here they are. We just swam so fast, and here we are. Now, I will show you the other tunnel to go to the sea. So you're gonna go into this big tunnel, and you'll see wrong one. Here, a hole. I'm not gonna show it to you guys, but if you like long ways, you like that one to go into the sea. If you want. Okay, next one. Yes, there's a here. Yes, last time I was in a sea ice WARP, and this is what we used. Let's go. Let me just go up really quick. Okay. Now, there's a lot of people going in here a lot. Well, not really, but yeah. So those, as you can see, that's where they do the school RP. In my last video, yes, I made this. So this is what it looks like. And this, yes, this is the one where they do the dorms. Sometimes people like last time I played it here, there was someone that wanted to do the DOD. I thought they were gonna do this, but I guess they just wanted the DOD for no reason. Okay, next one. I think I showed you this one now. They do okay, let me tell you this, okay. They use this for the other fan tribes. Tribes. Even fan tribes though. Too. So Skywings sometimes go here or there. If there's a roleplay there or a queen, they'd have to go this. Cause sometimes people are like, oh wait, give me the throne, it's mine. And there's and then the one that has been long there at that palace, they'll just say I was here first. Now, so they suggested that the dining hall area will be the second palace for it, for the other tribes and the other Skywings. Okay, I'll show you. Let me just really quick. So here is the arena, which you just saw earlier there. So this is where they do arena RPs, prison RPs, like those, logs, and bruh. And here it is. These are the pillars. Here it is. Now, people say this is just ropes, but instead I prefer it to be the chains, since it was literally chains in the books. So meaning these just looks like ropes, but they are supposed to be chains. Okay, let's go to the prison. Sorry, dust. So here's the prison, the cells. So yes, you can click this. See? You can click on it. Now we're gonna go up here. Yes, I showed you earlier, I think, that there was an RP here. Let's go check out what's going on in it. So I see it's still ongoing. So I just see this from no reason. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. So you gotta turn here. Oh, hi. What? I don't know. Can you repeat? Carp. Wait, let me just. Yes. Okay, who's this? If we can't see. Wait, if we can't see air, can fish see water? uh, I don't know. I don't know. Can they? Wait, do they? Well, actually, when they die, they can still see it, so I don't know. Oh my god, I'm so done with it. But I can. What? I think I need to stop this now. Okay, everybody, I think that's enough for today. So, I hope you guys have a perfect day today. So, bye!